Hello and welcome to another update video about PayPal. Only quick update about PayPal. We've talked in previous videos about this long-term, well, not long-term, but this downtrend that started in 2021, and the price has come down in this ending diagonal. This is really the structure that really matters for PayPal. We have long-term support at $49. I am concerned about PayPal because in this ending diagonal, while it has come down as expected and it has come down into the target range I previously defined already weeks ago in the videos here on this channel, it hasn't done what, it hasn't given us a strong wave 2. So the idea is, because we are in an ending diagonal, that obviously in an ending diagonal we've got 5 waves, that in this 5th wave we would get an ABC structure. That's all happened. The first problem here was that the B wave was very weak already. So not invalid or anything, but very weak. That shows bearishness. And that's also why we expected further continuation to the downside. And we then came down here, or we are coming down currently in this C wave of the wave 5. Now that should be a 5-wave move. I only have a 1, 2. The 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing. And we're already hanging here at the lower boundary line of this descending trend channel. And the wave 2 was so weak that it didn't even reach the 50% retracement level, not even the 38.2, which was here at 59.88. So there is still a wave 3 outstanding. That should get a few more squiggles down ideally, even though we've now reached obviously the descending trend line of this trend channel. We then should get a 4 and a 5. And I'm getting concerned that it might not hold the target box. So the target box is not a box where I'm telling you it will definitely turn around, but I'm telling you if it doesn't, then I will get quite concerned about PayPal. So far anyway, we haven't got a confirmed low in place. It was the correct decision to remain bearish about PayPal and not to confirm any low in place here so far. And I think this could drop quite a bit lower. I mean, it is now in an area where it should really turn around, but I will not trust it until I see a 5-wave move up with a 3-wave pullback. And that signal hasn't shown yet. And the downside still looks incomplete. So I would like to see 5 waves down. I only have 3. At least I need a wave 4 and a wave 5 bounce, and then we should get some strong support around the $49 level, because that's the 78.6 retracement at $49.60. Looking at, for example, here the daily time frame, we can see that we have invalidated a bullish divergence. And the problem is that we have invalidated a bullish divergence that has been building since February. I mean, not the entire divergence, but we've taken out the previous swing low, and we will probably take out this one. And that is not good, okay? Actually increasing the downside momentum when we're actually already very deep in support isn't good. You can see that here on the daily MACD, downside momentum is increasing. So bottom line is, I still expect lower. We can get a few more squiggles here. I think a bearish or let's say a corrective rally is due, at least in wave 4, but I can't confirm the start of it, and we should really go a little lower first in 3, then get 4, then get 5. I also have concerns we might drop out of this price channel to the downside, and long-term support is $49.60. So if we break below $49.60, it would reduce the long-term quality of the chart, and it would make the long-term bullish scenario questionable. And the only question for me that will come up if we break below that level is how much of a disaster is it going to be. Not much more to add at this stage. I think we still have to, at least I still remain focused on the downside. It's good to see we reached our target for this overall correction, but now we need to see a reaction. So we reached the target for the correction, but we need to see a reaction now. And so far, I'm not seeing anything. Okay, so I cannot confirm any low in place. We see a small green candle, yeah, and it's a first signal that something might happen. I mean, but you know, green candle doesn't make a bullish structure. And ultimately, I need to see at least an impulse, and I would like to see it above $58.90 for a very first indication low is in, but that would be very, very early. So at the moment, still remain focused on the downside. I'll keep you updated, but it's one of the stocks that we analyze in our stocks and S&P 500 service. So we cover it there very regularly. If you're interested in regular updates about PayPal, check it out. You can find the link in the description. We also offer daily updates, intraday updates about the S&P 500 as well, which I think is very useful in the current environment in which the S&P is really at a key make or break point. So yeah, hopefully that video and update about PayPal has been helpful. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And yeah, if you're interested in S&P 500 and PayPal updates regularly, then check out the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.